People often ask us, how do I get fresh air into the center of my building? And a lot of times that's where the workers are, in the center of the building. For supply fans, you want to help cool down your employees. So we'll use a series of wall supply fans to get air uniformly around the perimeter of the building, to throw the air deep into the building under high velocity. That'll get a good airflow pattern about 100 to 200 feet. After that, we will use hooded roof supply fans in the center of the building with short duct drops 10 or 20 feet to get the cool fresh air where the people are. If you have roof exhaust fans, you need to install the fans where the heat sources are to get the hot air out of the building as quickly as possible. Not only are we selecting and manufacturing reliable, high-quality fans, but we can also do the installation. With installation comes structural engineering, which is something that Moffitt provides. We can design the wall framing systems and the roof framing systems to support those fans. We can also do the electrical. And then, of course, we hoist and install the fans themselves. This provides you a complete service to complete your power ventilation solution.